Welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. It's Jennifer Woolsey. I hope that you are doing fantastic today. And well, thank you for joining me for a quick makeup tutorial. We're going to hop right in. I've already done the morning skincare regimen. Still using that vitamin C serum. My Belif Aqua Bomb. My Depuffing eye serum. Bam. And this morning, I added in a little bit of the Vitamin C Brightening Eye Cream, just to help kind of knock those dark circles out. I can already tell a difference. It's pretty awesome. Okay, so let's hop in. Let's pull this hair back. I did a little curl and spin this morning. Can you see those curls? They're so fun. I love this tool. If you have not gotten it yet, you definitely want to check it out. Okay, let's hop in. So for the primer, we're going to go in with our VDL Lumilayer Cushion. Ready? Bam. Pick it up. It's so fun. I know, it's like a kid, right? You just like pushing the buttons. Push the buttons. So I wanted to talk this morning a little bit about, are you brave? So 4th of July is coming up, and it always reminds me of, you know, we are the land of the brave. You know, those that have sacrificed and given their lives for our country. I think it's so important that we remember them. And so, you know, during Independence Day, I don't know about you guys, but whenever I hear the fireworks go off or I'm watching the fireworks from a distance, because I don't want to be too close because I'm a scaredy cat. I just think about, you know, when our country was fighting for their independence and how those rockets must have been and how scary, I mean, it must have been for those soldiers. And so I just think about, what does it mean to be brave? And I looked up the definition for you. Brave is ready to face and endure danger or pain, showing courage. I was like, that pretty fitting. Cashmere Complexion. We're going to use shade Mochi for these eyes. Ooh, ooh. We're going to knock them out. And so, you know, I think that there is, yes, I think our soldiers, number one, are the bravest of the brave. But, you know, there's ways in our lives that we need to be brave too. And so as I was kind of thinking about this morning and 4th of July coming and things like that, I was just thinking, what are some things that we do that make us brave? I know if this is your first time joining, you know that I am a mom to 2 special little boys. They're not little. They're both bigger than me. Let's correct that. Bigger boys. I'm the littler one in the group. Cashmere Complexion in shade Buttercream. So, you know, I think being a parent is a brave thing, because in today's climate, it's kind of hard to know what you're doing and where you're sending your kids, right? I mean, and making sure that they have the education that they need and that you're teaching them the life things that they need. I mean, they don't teach balancing a checking account and applying for loans and job skills really in high schools anymore. I mean, you have some agriculture classes where I was blessed to go through FFA. Small town girl here, FYI, if you didn't know that. And I learned some life skills through FFA, and I think, you know, some people probably went through like, what was it called? FHA, which is like Future Homemakers of America. I did not enter that class. No, not a homemaker. I have friends that sew and quilt and knit and all of those things, but no, not in my wheelhouse. When I got married, my husband bought me a sewing machine so I could make curtains, and they were like this, like didn't work out really well for our house. So that is not my forte, FYI. Anyway, I diverse. So being brave as a parent is a big thing. Making sure that your kids are learning the things that they need to be successful in life, right? I mean, how many on here with me agree that being a parent in 2020 is way different than probably what our parents thought being parents was going to be like? I thought my mom just knew everything and she just did what she had to do. But truth be told, I mean, I guess they were trying to figure things out just like we are today. It's crazy. Some other things that, people are brave at doing, I think, too, is their jobs. What is your job? Are you a police officer? In today's climate with COVID, are you a doctor or a nurse? Okay. I'm using Tattoo Station. I should have told you guys that. I gotta get my other mirror here. It is hard to do brows without a good mirror. Just telling you. That's a brave thing, right? So, sometimes your occupation, if you are doing something dangerous. I have a friend whose husband works in the coal mines. And that to me seems like something that you have to be brave to do. I don't think that, coal mines to me sound kind of scary. So, a doctor and a nurse fighting COVID is a huge deal. Police officers, firemen, even EMTs right now with everything going on in the world, they're standing in the line. So, I think that I don't know that selling makeup is really something that's the most brave occupation. But hey, I deal with some sketchy situations when the lipstick colors don't match. We all have our own battles, right? Okay, so we have that on. Let's go in with some Magix dust and let's set this. So we've got that. Can you see that coverage with that Cashmere Complexion? You guys, it is a smooth coverage. So I don't know. I think everybody has their own kind of brave in their life that they're battling. Business owners right now with all of this COVID. I can't imagine if you had a brick and mortar store, restaurant, something like that, a gym, how hard this has been on your business and on your family. And it's trying to figure out, what's the right thing to do and how are we going to weather the storm. I will say it's been a blessing as a work from home mom because I haven't had to put my family at risk and my business has still grown even in this crisis. So, I think that we have to be empathetic for those people around us because you never know what struggles they're going through. And so being brave sometimes means that you are appreciative of those people around you. Monopop, we're going to use the browns. Bam. So how are you brave in your life? That's my question. Okay, so I'm going to do this one and this one. I also feel like, and this is my page so I can say it if you don't agree, I'm sorry. I love you anyway. I also feel like being a Christian in today's environment and climate is being brave and standing up for your Christianity and saying, hey, I believe that Jesus is the Son of God and, I invite you to come believe this with me. Because it seems like as a Christian in today's world, we're scrutinized. I was called a Karen the other day. A Karen. Are you kidding me? I'm like, whatever. Do you know what a Karen is? But anyway, it's just like, because I stand up for my beliefs and they are not now what's mainstream belief, now I'm wrong. I'm not saying I dislike you or your beliefs. I love you regardless of your beliefs. But these are my beliefs and I have the right to have them. And so having that stance in today's society, you're almost scrutinized. It's crazy. It's crazy that we have let our world get to this point. It's just nuts. Right, Connie? You see what I'm saying? Okay, for the crease, we're going to do this one and this one. We're going to work those two colors on our crease. And so, this is my stance on it. This is my belief. This is where my strength comes from. So I'm going to be brave and I'm going to share it in love. I'm not going to push it down people's throats and condemn people. That's not what I was called to do. I'm going to share it in love, and I'm going to be brave, and I'm going to stand up for what I believe in. And I expect you to do that for whatever you believe in too. But that means that we have good conversations and that we are kind to one another, because as a Christian, I'm called to love God and love people. And that means even people that I don't agree with, I can still be kind to you. I can still be nurturing and loving and checking on you. But it doesn't mean that we can't agree that we don't agree. I mean, you can still get along. It's okay. The gold. I'm going to use the gold and this one right here. And we're going to blend with those colors. Yes, all things in love. So I never thought growing up as a small town girl that there would be a day and age that I would be criticized for saying that I was a Christian. It's crazy, you guys. Or, you know, I have a friend that's Jehovah's Witness, and she's feeling the same thing. And we were talking about it the other day, and no, we don't, our beliefs don't line up, but we still love each other. And we were talking about how, you know, you're scrutinized and you're made fun of if you have a belief window that doesn't go with mainstream. And so how are you going to be brave? How are you going to share it regardless of what everybody around you thinks and still do it in love? Let me give you all a look at those eyes. Aren't those pretty? So I think for me, 4th of July really brings about a time to be thankful for the freedoms that those soldiers fought for our country, that we do get freedom of speech, freedom of religion, freedom of press, which I don't think they're using, but anyway. We are using SuperExtend liquid liner, and it is getting low. I can definitely tell that it's getting low. That's okay. It's still pretty. But you know, being brave in your workplace, being brave, and today I feel like going to the grocery store in Texas is being brave. You got to wear a mask. So it's a good thing I do my makeup to wear at home, because if you're going out with a mask on, I guess all that really matters is your eyes. So make sure and focus on your eyes, because you're not going to see the lips. There we go. Those eyes are lined with that SuperExtend. Love it. So what are some other things that you think we have to be brave to do, Connie? Share it with me. Some other things that we have to be brave to do in our lives. Definitely coming on Facebook Live and proclaiming my belief and putting myself in front of you guys every morning is something brave to do, because come here. Come here first. Come here and say hi. Come here. I have a special guest. Come here, and then you can, okay, hold on. Here we go. Can you say hi? Yeah, just, hey, did you have a good breakfast? Huh? Yes? Okay. All right, we'll get a milkshake after a while. Let Mom get dressed. Okay, after a while, we'll get a milkshake. It's kind of early still. Love mascara. We're going to put this on these lashes. Stand up for each other. Yes, be kind and standing up for each other. That is another thing that makes you brave. I agree. Well, and I think sometimes we let our fears hold us back from doing things that we want to do in our life, and that, you know, we let it stifle our growth. And so if that means you need to stand up for somebody, or that you need to show love and support for somebody, or maybe today you need to get up, you need to get dressed, and you need to do something that you've been putting off because it intimidates you or it scares you, here's your message. Here's your confirmation. Be brave. Work your business. Work for your dreams. Take care of your home. Take care of your family. Do whatever it is that you have crawled into your hole and quit doing because you're intimidated by everything else going on in the world. You are brave. You were made to be brave and to do amazing, amazing things. Quit hiding. That's my message. Quit hiding. Be brave. Okay. You hear the kids are hollering? The natives are restless. I get about 10 minutes because that's about how long it takes them to eat breakfast. And then they start hollering. How about homeschooling? That's a brave thing because it looks like we're going to be homeschooling again this next year. Moisture cushion, we're going to use Coral in this blush and give us a little pop. I have some new bronzers coming out. I'm so excited to share them with you guys. You're going to love them. They're going to be awesome. Okay, let's pick a color. We kind of got a wild, funky shirt on today. How about birthday suit? Or should we go with our Old Faithful Respect? I think we're going to do birthday suit today. These birthday bombs have launched. They're awesome. Oh, and here in Texas, I love that color. It's made with shea butter and it just makes sure it heals your lips. It feels so good. If you're needing a mask in Texas, let me know. I've got some on my website that you can order so that you can be brave and go to the grocery store. It's crazy, crazy. So whatever it is that's holding you back today, stand up, love each other, take care of each other, enjoy your 4th of July celebration. Remember those that fought for our freedoms and be brave. So if you like these tips, please share this video. Somebody else may need to hear this today. And I'm always here if I can help answer any questions that you have. Thank you. I used my curl and spin. It's so fun. Watch, I'll do a curl for you real quick, Connie. Share this video because somebody else may need to be brave, may need to hear this message, or just may need to be nice to somebody else. How about that? Okay, let's see. It will just take it a second. Pull this back so you can actually see the curl when it comes out. It's so pretty. And it's so fun. It's like, take your mind off of everything. And is that not cute? It's so fun. So you just roll it up. It beeps at you when it's done. And it comes out and it's a curl. Okay, so have a great day. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.